Check out this 2022 Nissan Leaf. Here's an earth-friendly Nissan Leaf, the affordable all-electric vehicle that prioritizes safety, comfort, and connectivity. From its standard driver assist features to its comfortable, spacious seating to its sleek design, this four-door hatchback is poised to take you boldly and efficiently into the future. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, navigation system, backup camera, fog lamps, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, keyless start, heated mirrors, satellite radio, premium sound system. Feel good about being part of the solution when you're behind the wheel of this earth-friendly Leaf. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.